The first genuine glimpse of the Galaxy S26 Ultra has finally emerged. Complete official renders of the S26 series have surfaced online, confirming many previously circulated rumors, while also revealing several unexpected details that raise some concerns. This update covers three major developments. The complete S26 lineup has now been unveiled through official-looking renders. The S26 Ultra showcases two color options, purple and black. The purple variant, also known as Cobalt Violet, appears to be the flagship color for this generation. These are not CAD-based images or AI-generated concepts. They are authentic marketing renders directly from Samsung. The renders validate numerous leaked details from recent months, while also exposing an unforeseen change. The S26 Ultra features noticeably rounder corners compared to the S25 Ultra. The frame design has been softened, and even the S Pen click button has been redesigned with increased roundness to complement the new curves. This design shift means the entire S26 lineup now follows a unified aesthetic.
However, there are some troubling aspects. The punch-hole camera has been enlarged to accommodate a wider field of view, which does serve a practical purpose. Yet, the bezels appear thicker compared to the previous generation, an unusual choice given Samsung's typical pattern of reducing bezel size with each release. Side-by-side comparisons reveal that the S25 Ultra maintains a more aggressive, premium appearance that many may find preferable. While the S26 Ultra is slimmer in profile, the enlarged camera module creates the impression of greater thickness. Additionally, the protruding camera bump will likely cause noticeable table wobble when the device is placed flat. The expanded camera bump does serve a functional purpose, enabling one of the most significant improvements on the S26 Ultra. The S25 Ultra featured impressive camera specifications, but real-world performance proved inconsistent, particularly in low light conditions, a frustrating limitation for many users. The issue stemmed not from the sensors themselves, but from restrictive apertures that limited light intake. The S26 Ultra utilizes the additional space within the camera module to widen the apertures on two key lenses. According to leaker Ice Universe, the 5x telephoto lens will deliver substantially improved video quality. The expanded apertures allow greater light capture, resulting in clearer concert footage, night photography, and zoom videos that avoid the shakiness, darkness, and grain that plagued previous models. Beyond hardware improvements, Samsung is emphasizing software enhancements to create a more intuitive filming experience. The Camera Assistant application will receive enhanced professional controls, allowing users to fine-tune focus speed and adjust sharpness levels for more natural skin tones and cinematic aesthetics, an area where Samsung previously lagged behind competitors. Samsung is also introducing a new 24-megapixel default mode designed for improved image quality and log recording, delivering higher quality video content without consuming excessive storage space. These changes provide content creators with significantly more control over their output, representing a more substantial upgrade than it may initially appear. If implemented successfully, the S26 Ultra could reclaim its position as one of the premier hybrid photo and video smartphones available. Another major confirmation has emerged. A leaked Unpacked invitation reveals that Samsung will officially announce the Galaxy S26 series on February 25, 2026. Pre-orders are anticipated to begin shortly afterward, with shipments expected in March. The invitation prominently emphasizes artificial intelligence, indicating Samsung's continued focus on AI capabilities. The S26 lineup will debut with One UI 8.5 and expanded AI functionality, including a revamped Bixby powered by Perplexity. The final significant piece of information, official European pricing for the complete S26 lineup has been leaked and may surprise many potential buyers.